Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you what I did to my e-bike for wintertime storage for the battery. I don't have a garage, so my e-bikes, mine and my wife's e-bike, are out in the shed, and it gets real cold up here in upstate New York, so I take the battery out and bring it inside. But while it's in the shed for the winter, I want to show you what I did to protect it from getting dusty and whatever else. This also could be used for when you're traveling and you take your bike battery out of your bike when it's on your rack, so it don't get, jostled around while you're transporting it. Also, what I'm going to show you is good for, not getting it wet while you're traveling, when it's on the back of your truck, your car, your RV or whatever. And so it don't get wet inside where the battery's missing, and don't get no dirt in there. So let me show you what I did and what I purchased for the bike. Okay. First, I took out my battery and I bought a pool noodle and cut it and put it right in there. Okay. So that'll help protect a lot of the dust and stuff. And that's where my battery connection is, down there. Just shove it in there. Okay. Eliminate. I guess I didn't need to do that, but I just doubled up the security, so it don't get dust in there. And then I also purchased a set of these e-bike battery protective covers. Okay. And you just wrap it around your post, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it. It's easy. This is what it looks like. Okay. It is it's made out of neoprene diving material, so it's waterproof and lightweight, and it's really durable. It's 16 and a half inches or so around, so it'll go 16 and a half inches around, I guess. 19.6 inches long, I guess. Okay. Yeah. Nice material. You could also just keep it on here when you're riding, when your battery in there. So like if you're out in the cold, this will help protect it. If you ride in the cold season, you know how e-bike batteries don't like the cold. Or if you're out riding in the rain, so this will help if you don't have a bike like mine, a Velotrek, where it is waterproof. This will help protect your battery from weather. So, okay, that's another purpose for it. But let me just quickly show you how to just put this on. Okay. So it goes on real easy. You just set it right there like that. Okay. And it's got Velcro. So you just set it on there, cover up your hole. There's very little bit of room here, so that's on my bike. The battery goes right down to here. So other bikes, I guess they're up here a little bit more, but they got this right down low. So this will overlap a little bit. So okay. So you just put it right on. Wrap your Velcro right there. Yeah. That's it. Okay. On there. Simple. Yeah, so that's just a simple way to keep dirt and dust out of my e-bike e-bike battery I don't know, space, socket, whatever, where you put the battery in, while I have the battery inside for storage for the winter. And like I said, you know, you can use it for other things when you're transporting on your bike rack, so don't get your batteries all dirty and stuff like that. So anyway, that's just a quick video. If you're interested, you know, I'll leave the link to the neoprene battery covers, you know, in the description below. It will be on an affiliate link, so, you know, I will receive a small commission if you choose to purchase it, but there's no additional charge to you. Other than that, you could just go to any place, you know, any dollar store, or, you know, Walmart or whatever, Dollar General, whatever, any of those stores, just to pick up a pool noodle, cut it, and slide it in the battery space there, you know, also. So, you know, I've seen other people just, you know, they put the pool noodle there and then they just use saran wrap and wrap it around when they're traveling. You know, I just bought these. It was easier. Then I don't have to waste saran wrap. Anyway, that's it for this video. So if you're interested, please check them out. And you know what to do. Hit all those buttons if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.